Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Cooking with breakfast. It is early and my stomach is letting me know it's breakfast time. Usually when I was young I rarely ate breakfast, but now I can't even get my day started good without something on my gut. What I've got is my taters. And what I do, I cooked on the grill last night and I baked extra potatoes and I cut them up and now I'm frying them. They cook a little bit quicker like that. And tender. What I've got here is some pork steak I cooked. And it's done all the way through. It just needs to be warmed up. And yes, I've got onions. The onions go in about the same time as the pork steak. And that way they don't get burnt. They'll just get soft and add flavor. I eat onions about every day. And they've got a lot of health benefits to them, as I've told you before. And this is pig scrap. They'll eat that. I've had some potatoes I found that weren't that good, and some onion peelings. They aren't real big on those, but they will eat them. So they'll go out to the hogs, and they'll definitely eat all that. What I'll do, I'll put some garlic and Lowry seasoning salt on these taters, and that'll be a meal for me. Maybe have me a piece of bread with that too. I've gotten hooked on French bread on the grill, wrap it up in tin foil. I cut it in half first, then I put garlic powder on it and put butter on it, and I put it on the grill and let it cook. And I've gotten hooked on this stuff, and my belly looks like it too. So thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.